Timor-Leste is a small country in Southeast Asia, known for its beautiful beaches, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture. However, like many other developing countries, it faces economic challenges that have forced many of its citizens to look for work abroad. One of the most popular programs for Timorese seeking work overseas is the Australia Seasonal Workers Program. This program provides opportunities for Timorese workers to gain experience and earn money while working in Australia. However, getting accepted into the program is not easy. Applicants must meet strict eligibility criteria and go through a rigorous selection process. After submitting their application, applicants often have to wait for further notice regarding worker recruitment. This waiting period can be a time of uncertainty and anxiety for many. For some, the decision to apply for the program was not an easy one. Leaving family and friends behind can be a difficult and emotional experience. However, for those who are accepted into the program, it can be a life-changing opportunity. The chance to earn money and gain valuable experience in Australia can open doors to a brighter future. For many Timorese workers, the Australia Seasonal Workers Program has provided a pathway to a better life. It has given them the skills and experience they need to support their families and build a brighter future for themselves and their communities.
My name is Maria Madalena Suarez. I'm from Dili. For the Berlito Berries, I'm saying thank you so much. It's really helped me to help my family. I'm helped my mom to build our house, and some I'm saved for myself.
The journey to becoming a seasonal worker in Australia may be challenging, but for those who succeed, it can be the start of a new and promising chapter in their lives.
Tasimanese siya kakilar, dahil akan mo say tarutu, temiyon yan naramba bebe.